I'll show you how to fix USB ports that aren't working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Sometimes, USB ports stop functioning due to hardware issues or driver changes. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple steps that can help you get them working again. First, go to the Windows Start menu and type Device Manager in the search bar. Open the Device Manager from the results. Scroll down and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Right-click each USB controller listed and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the option that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Apply the changes for each controller. Now for the next step, right-click the first USB 3.0 extensible host controller and select Uninstall Device. Keep in mind, this port won't work again until you restart your computer. If you're on a desktop using a USB mouse and keyboard, restart your PC right after uninstalling each port. This way, you'll always keep at least one working USB connection. Continue uninstalling the remaining USB ports one by one, restarting after each one. Once you've completed these steps and restarted your computer, your USB ports should be working again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.